Now, on to quadratic expressions. The general form of a quadratic expression is ax squared plus bx plus c, where a, b, and c are constants and a does not equal to 0. Remember, when adding or subtracting expressions, always collect like terms carefully. Let's see how. Let's take a look at this example. First, we will expand the terms in the bracket. Next, we will rearrange the variables in order to collect the like terms. And this will lead to our final answer, x squared minus 5. Let's take a look at another example. Similar to what we did for the previous example, first we will expand the bracket. Then we will collect the like terms by rearranging the variables. This will give us our final answer, x squared plus 3x plus 3.
Smash your maths exams. Download Learn Maths Today for real exam questions and achieve top marks.